Hey you guys, it's Charlie Mar Beauty. I'm here today with a new beat. I want you guys to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you guys think. Charlie Mar Beauty. Hey you guys, it's Charlie Mar Beauty. I'm here today with another beat. With the LA Girl Pro Concealer Fawn to clean up my brows, and it's also going to be the base for my eyeshadow. And this is in the shade Fawn. You liked it? Okay, so I'm going on with the Culture 2 Juvia's Place palette for my eyeshadow colors today. All the colors oxidized. Everything pretty much looked green at the end of the day, you guys. So the blue didn't even pop. Abstract today. So I'm cleaning up the eyeshadow with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn. And this is the e.l.f. Poreless Primer that I'm going in and priming my face with before I lay down that foundation. Okay, so that was the Fit Me foundation in the shade Mocha, and then now I'm going in with my e.l.f. concealer in the shade Deep Olive to highlight my face. With the Morphe setting powder in the shade Banana Rich to set all the areas I highlighted with concealer. so I went in with the Charlotte Tilbury bronzer in the shade Deep to contour my face. I got a bad habit of bringing my contour down to my little peak of my cheek area. You don't want to bring it down that low because it gives you like a cast, a shadow cast. So when that happens, you can go over that part with your foundation and then lay your blush, because technically that's where your blush goes. Okay, I'm going in with my MAC Studio Fix foundation powder in the shade NW45 to go over all my makeup. Say overkill. I went in with a Morphe setting spray, setting mist to set all that makeup in place. I soak in it, you guys. You don't have to use that much. All right. I want you guys to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you guys think. Charlie Mar Beauty.